Hello everyone, I Dr. Pritika Bahad from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science welcomes you all to Prestige Institute of Engineering Management and Research online lecture series. In today's session, as a part of AD-801 Big Data course, we will discuss upon Hadoop ecosystem components. The Hadoop ecosystem components can be classified on the basis of their profile as core component, data storage and management components. So on that basis, we are going to discuss it in the next set of slides. Let's have a quick review of what is Hadoop. Hadoop is an open source framework designed for distributed storage and processing of large data set across clusters of computer. Why processing of large data set is important? Because when it comes to big data processing, the result can be used for decision making for organizations. So the Hadoop ecosystem is a collection of open source tools and frameworks that are built around Apache Hadoop to enable efficient storage, processing, and analysis of big data. Hadoop ecosystem contains multiple components that work together to handle structured, semi-structured and unstructured data that is stored over distributed computing clusters. The key components of Hadoop ecosystem can be classified on the basis of their nature, and these are the core component that includes HDFS, MapReduce and YARN. The components that are related to data storage and management as HBase, Hive and Pig. The data collection and ingestion components Flume and Scoop. Workflow management and coordination component OZ and Zookeeper. For real-time processing and analytics, we have Apache Spark, Apache Storm. At the same time, we are having Mahout for machine learning. For security and governance, we are having Ranger and Atlas components. This is a quick and brief format for Hadoop ecosystem. The components that are considered as core component of Hadoop ecosystem are HDFS, YARN and MapReduce. The other components can be coordination tool as Zookeeper. For log data collection, we can have Flume. For large scale data processing, we can utilize Spark. For workflow managing, we can use OZ. For scripting and for data management, we are having Pig. At the same time, for data warehouse, we are having Hive. So let's discuss them one by one. The Hadoop core components are HDFS, MapReduce and YARN. Hadoop distributed file system is a fault-tolerant storage system that manages large files across multiple nodes. MapReduce is a programming model for processing large dataset in a parallel computing environment. Yarn is a negotiator or a coordination tool that manages computing resources and schedules different tasks efficiently. For data storage and management component, we are having Apache HBase. It is a NoSQL database optimized for real-time read-write access. Apache Hive is a data warehouse system that allows querying of large dataset using SQL-like syntax. Apache Pig is a scripting language for processing large datasets. For data collection and ingestion, we are having the components as Apache Flume. It is used for collecting and aggregating large volumes of log data. At the same time, if we consider the data collection from Hadoop and other relational databases, we can go for Apache Scoop. For workflow management and coordination, the two components that are usually utilized by programmers are OZ and Zookeeper. OZ is a job scheduler for managing and executing Hadoop workflows, and Zookeeper is a service for coordinating distributed application. For real-time processing and analytics, we are having Apache Spark and Apache Storm. Apache Spark is a fast in-memory big data computing processing framework that works along with Hadoop. Apache Storm is a real-time stream processing framework. For security and governance, we are having the components as Ranger and Atlas. Ranger provides centralized security management for Hadoop, and Atlas ensures that the data that we are using is as per the governance rule. It allows us to get metadata management and governance. So, what we have learned in today's session, we have dealt with the basic understanding of different components that are available in Hadoop ecosystem. These are the references that you can follow for further reading. In the next lecture, we will discuss on Hadoop distributed file system.